Snaps. The first ever Painting Jazz in Neon.
Hey guys, in this video you will be able to experience the 3 days that we went through building out version 2.0 of the Neon Elements headquarters. I decided to optimize for efficiency since the business and the team is expanding, so I wanted to be able to have more tables for more space, as well as sprucing up the place for mood. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
No!
Come on. What you gonna do?
Kick it.
Don't break our painting stick.
You're right. Razor, bro. I'm not grabbing the razor.
Yeah, you grab it. Bend the ruler either. Oh my god.
Grab a razor. Oh. Kick it. Right, like once it's in there.
Good luck. Oh wait, just wiggle it. We're so aggressive to it. It just takes a little wiggle.
So what we're doing here is pretty much building the same identical tables we first built when starting out here at the workshop. It's the same exact build, so it was able to go much faster and we were able to record the whole process.
Oh, good stuff. Oh my god, no!
Nothing like double set of tape.
Where
are you guys taking it?
You go. You go.
Sadly, we had to take down the catwalk. Unfortunately, with the way the business and the workshop's going to go, I don't think it's a good idea to have cats roaming around, so who knows? Maybe I could put the pieces back up later. It is now becoming a tradition to play a round of Smash at the end of a workday. It's honestly super fun and just being able to blow off some steam.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
It comes out of nowhere.
After completing the tables in day 1, day 2 we moved on to painting.
This thing sucks. Rematch.
Cleaning up was definitely the most tedious part of the process during day 3, but luckily I had enough hands to make the process go much more faster.
Yeah, I don't like winning.
Fly away.
Welcome all in to Neon Elements Workshop version 2.0.